We have the coffee worth 300 pesos, okay? And the member's price is 225. So earning 75 pesos thereon is that's one an aspect. And if this being bought by others, that is already the profit. And for purple corn juice, we have 600 pesos, okay? With that 600 pesos, simply as already opted as one of the member of the company's loyalty program, by having first of those, as I mentioned a while ago, the option A, option B, and option C, option A, 20 bottles, option B, option C. You are already considered member of this of the customer loyalty program, and the next time around you buy the product is instead of 600, you will only be buying that at 385 pesos, which means you already have the 215 pesos savings or discounts. If not, again, since this is a direct selling industry and somebody might be buying from you, and you just can give that still with the worth 600 pesos, the same price as the company is selling. But again, because as a member already in the customer loyalty program, you already have the 215 pesos profit. Okay, that's what we mean by that. And of course, because there is the point system that the company is using as the basis also of our competition later that I will be discussing here, and you will also given the points. For example, in the coffee per box, you have the 5 points, okay, and the other one is also 100 points for one bottle of the 300 ml 300 ml purple corn juice. But actually, it's a purple corn powder. Why? Because it's just mixed with water, the fresh water, no? So it will become juice. So that's how good the product is. And in terms of shipment, it's not a problem because it's not in liquid. Well, we have the bottle which is already in liquid, but we also have the bottle which is not yet in liquid, but it's to be mixed with water, and it will become juice. Okay, so that's the direct selling aspect of compensation. The other one is yes, we also have this one. As I mentioned ago, we also have this already in capsule. Those who are actually in travel always, they will have to opt the capsule. The capsule is 1,080, per box, and it has 60 capsules. With these 60 capsules, it's around 18 pesos per capsule. But you will be a member, or you already have opted option A, option B, option C. You will have that mark, or we have the savings of 300 pesos because you will only be purchased. You will be able to have that discount of 780 pesos. So you'll have a 300 pesos discounts. And if again that could be bought, or somebody is willing to buy that from you because they know the benefits of that products, then they will have to pay you 1,080. So meaning you will have a profit of 300 pesos. And again, it has a points of 50 points, 50 UPB. And the other one, as I've said kanina, is the bottle of purple corn juice, which is already in liquid form, which is 1 liter, and that's 150 points. And that's cost normally 2,500 pesos, but you can only get that at 1,800 pesos if you are already a member, and then you can earn 700 pesos. So is that not good? Okay, well, it's not that good siguro if you do not know the value, but since you will be able to see the value, and still you're paying for your good health, and even if for kung may mga sakit-sakit na gusto mong malunasan, it's malaking bagay yun kaysa mag-spend kayo ng mas malaki pa niyan. Alam mo na, sa panahon ngayon, syempre sa doktor pa lang malaking bayad na. Kung kayo, halimbawa, pagkasakit kayo, and then pa kayo sa hospital, siguro mas malaki pa dyan. Okay, so let's proceed with another incentives that you're entitled, that you're privileged of. They also have 100 points and 100 points for the booster. We call them another product, and we'll come to details for that later on, because what we are actually promoting is for now is more on the purple corn juice. And they also have this nano amino, with this nano amino, if you can see, if you are going to research, it's a good thing also about it, and it's cost 1,500 pesos. And then with member, or if you being the member of the customer loyalty program, you will have only to buy it 1,000 pesos, then you have the savings of 500 pesos. Again, if you go on direct selling, you have an earning of 500 pesos per bottle. Okay, so well, we'll discuss that more if you really are interested in that. But for the sake of presentation, we'll just go move on. Okay, as we move on, we also have another products, orange booster, and they also have silver booster, and another one thing. So that's one aspect of the computation of your reward, the direct reward, and what we call the direct selling reward. Okay, but now we'll proceed with letter B of aspects of these incentives. We call this referral bonus. Again, as you have mentioned, if you really have enrolled as an opter for option A, you will have a so-called account equivalent to gold, no? So that's why we have gold, and then 4,050 or 10 battles, you are in silver. That's why when you come to these incentives, you have the gold and you have the silver. Let's say, suppose yellow is gold and you are gold and you opted with that option A, the 20 battles, okay? And you also have able to have somebody, no? Somebody also are interested na like you, gusto magka-discount, gusto magka-benefits ng products, at ayaw nilang babayad muna ng malaki. Kasi mayroong mga tao gusto lang babayad ayaw nila ng membership. So, yung gusto magpa-member, automatically they will be given an account like you. But of course, they will not be accepted by the company without the sponsor. So, kayo ang sponsor nito. Since kayo ang sponsor, halimbawa si A na kumuha din ng option A na tinatawag natin na 20 battles, automatically, while A has already earned what is already entitled of him, you will not be getting out of that. Okay? Since customer A will avail with the 20 battles, okay, so he has to pay 8,150 instead of instead of 12,000. Can you see the point? Okay, instead of paying 12,000 pesos, they have to pay 8,300 pesos. But while they enjoy that, A, for this instance, it's A. While he enjoys that, the only way he can enjoy the next purchase or that discount is for him to be first sponsored. So you are the sponsor. So no choice with A. A has to fill up the form, and as he fill up the form, he will have considered the already member and all the benefits entitled for him or given for him or privilege, and which is in their privilege, he will have to have it. But the company is giving rewards to the one who is sponsored A. Okay? And the reward that is given by the company, by Trends Corporation, is 600 pesos. It's not being taken out of the A, but it's out of Trends already. The company is giving reward to A. And again, for B, for example, B has opted the option B, as I've been telling you, the 10 battles, or this option, 2 battles of Bionic Fighter, whichever. He has paid that instead of 6,000 pesos, he paid only 4,150. By paying 1,50, that's for B. But again, B is possible as being introduced by yours, maybe interested to be part of the system or to be part of the benefits that he can avail with the product, maybe by the discounts, or even to expand more of the business. And even kung kayo to kanina nakapag-sponsor, or sasabihin natin si Silver ay gustong mag-join in, and then the company has able to accept him, qualifies him, saka with that he is qualified again, person B is to be required to have his sponsor, and that since you are the one maybe has able to introduce him, then you are considered the sponsor, and again the company will give you incentives of 300 pesos, not to be taken from the pocket of B, but already from the pocket of the company. Sorry, you will be rewarded with 300 pesos. So if you're able to have as much as many as you can, then that's how it is computed. For as long as if it's silver, then it's 300 pesos incentive. It's gold, then it's 600 pesos incentives. Okay, so A and B will be happy, and the company also want you to be made happy. And what if A will sponsor or will have another persons who has, because of A na who is interested also to enjoy the benefits like you enjoyed and like A enjoyed, and if it happens that it is A as the sponsor, then A will be again rewarded by the company of the 600 pesos as well retail bonus. And in the same with B or whichever, and D still are not limited. Of course, since you are not the sponsor or you are not the sponsor of all those people that actually being known or being helped by A, or even if you are helped, or even if A is being helped by you, since A is a sponsor, the company will give that to A. Okay, but you will know what is the benefits of you. That's the next thing that we will be considering. But for now, let's consider this referral bonus. Okay? So now, after the referral bonus, there is also the matching bonus. Well, if you are in the network and marketing industry, you're familiar with binary. So they have the plan that if you ever have the accounts or A or whoever be the person, they will automatically have their ledger of Group A and ledger for Group B. And based on that Group A, Group B, they will have the corresponding additional bonus. And the company is giving, for example, just this one. You already have your 600 pesos because you are considered the sponsor of A, and B has also opted to join him to enjoy the benefits and